Hey everybody, it's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I cannot see if I'm in the camera or not. I can't see a thing. It is bright, beautiful, and sunny today. Blue skies. Maybe I sat in the wrong spot for this video, but I can't stop thinking about the garden. I'm really excited about getting out here. I think it's just a little bit too cold yet. The ground is still frozen, so we've got to wait a little while. I want to shore up this wall. Somebody suggested using a come along to pull the wall back towards that direction, attached to a tree, and I'm going to do just that. But I think I have to wait a little bit until the soil is thawed, because right now it's still a little bit frozen, and then I want to shore that up, and then I've got to get some pallets, and I'm going to make a raised bed here, knock out this one, put a raised bed there. Anyway, I'm getting ahead of myself. Wanted to tell you about yesterday. Yesterday was our 4-year wedding anniversary, and we were stuck at home, and so we just had a family day. Did the best we could with what we had on hand, and had a nice family day. You can see I talked about it more in detail on my tactical channel, where I go through day by day telling you about how we're getting by during this period, which I can't talk about because I'll get banned from ads. It makes me upset. A little bit of a rant today. YouTube is monetizing videos of larger channels, and they can say pretty much anything they want, but if you even hint at the wrong words or speak incorrectly about the things we're going through today, then you will get banned from running ads and maybe even delete your video. I saw the words delete your video. So anyway, I don't think it's fair. So I have to be so careful what I say. But so we just did what we could, had a good time at home, family day off, no video. I just wanted to share that with you, let you know about yesterday, because I want to make a video every day from now on, and let you know what we did on the homestead. It was just different, but I won't go into all detail. You can find that on my tactical channel. I just talked about that in a lot of detail, and you can also find all of our videos combined on our Patreon link. I'll put the link down below. And on our Patreon site, you can find all the videos we do in one convenient location. So that might help you to find it. And for only $1 a month, you can get access to that. Plus, I'm going to start doing some articles now and then on there, special for there, and some unique, cute little home videos that Melanie and Michelle make every once in a while. That'll go up there. So anyway, that's it. I'm gonna see what today brings. I've got to work inside the store a little bit. I'm starting to clean up out there. Oh, I did work inside the wood shop a little bit yesterday, cleaning up. And I mean, it wasn't all 100% family time, just sit down with the family all day and do nothing. Melanie did some laundry. I worked in the wood shop a little bit, cleaning and sorting and making room. Some of the shelves that I had in there, they're commercial shelving. I am putting in the store. We have 2 sets of commercial shelving I took down. I'm going to clean them and put them up in the store so we can put our handcraft things in there. They won't sell now in this time, but it's something we can sell again in the future. So anyway, please subscribe to our channel and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. It's Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Let's see what today brings. You never know. Every day is different. Talk to you later.